Today I want to show you the Ion Science TVOC2 Fixed PID VOC monitor. So when I open it up, I see the calibration certificate. I also see some other details on registering for the additional warranty on the unit. So this is the unit itself, and alongside I've got the accessory kit. In the kit there's a magnet that's used, and it shows in a different video how to calibrate and bump test the unit. But this is how you move through the calibration or bumper menus. There's a calibration little adapter here. There's the calibration adapter actually goes in the bottom of the unit as well. I'll show how that goes in. There's a small Allen key for accessing the little Allen key here to get into the sensor, but more likely you may need to get into the unit itself, and that's a larger Allen key for these screws here. And for zeroing the unit, we have this hand aspirator and a carbon filter, so that would give zero error for checking the zero or calibrating the unit. So actually I'll kind of show you some of this now. So if I pull this unit out, in here there's some cable glands and stuff like that that come along with it. If I was going to zero the unit, and there's a video that Ion Science made on zeroing it, so I won't go into that detail exactly, but I can attach that calibration adapter to the bottom of the unit, connect up the carbon filter, and basically pump. If I want to pump this, I could put zero air into the unit. With this filter takes out all the VOCs, so I get my zero. And then if I want to introduce calibration gas, for example, this unit set is a 0 to 1000 ppm unit, but we normally would use 100 ppm isobutylene and a manual regulator. So this regulator, once hooked up to the gas, would hook into this, and you could introduce your flow of span gas. So these accessories are actually, these accessories here in this kit are part of this toolkit. So if you're ordering the unit, it's good to order this toolkit along with it. At least one kit if you're buying one or multiple of these units. Okay, so I'll pop this back in here. So let's get into the unit itself. If I take off these screws, and they're not captured, so I'm just going to put them down here for now. I'll show you inside. Okay, so this comes off. You'll see the wires are connected. Now we have power here is a connection. We have 4 to 20 milliamp out. Also, there are these jumpers down here, and depending on how the jumpers are set, that gives you different ranges of the instrument. So I believe from the factory it's set to 0 to 1000, but you could change that range with those jumpers. So this is a very quick overview, and this will be part of a larger playlist of other videos, such as Ion Science. They made a video on calibration and bump testing, changing the lamp and stuff like that, so I won't cover it in this video.